Without any knowledge in web development and servers, I'm going to show you how to analyze your website speed and know the reasons under 3 minutes, so you can fix them or ask someone to fix for you. Here I have my website with slow loading time. Takes like 4 seconds. It keeps loading here. So I want to know what makes this slowness. So I'm gonna open gtmetrics.com and I'm gonna go for the home page and put my website URL inside there and analyze this. After GTmetrix analyzes my website, it will give me the full details about everything on the website. So if you can read it, you can go ahead and read the waterfall. If not, you can just download the PDF. Then we're gonna go to the next step. So I'm going to download the PDF file. Download. And the next step is opening ChatGPT and upload our PDF file. So this is my file. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT to tell me what are the reasons from this file. This is a full report about the website. What are the reasons that makes this slow loading time? After that, I can ask him to arrange those reasons in a list, or arrange them from the most impactful item to the lowest, so I can check them and try to solve them by myself or ask someone to solve them for me. So now it tells me there is a high impact, which is try to avoid enormous network payloads. So I don't know what is that. So I will ask him to clarify point number 1. So I asked him what is causing point number 1, which is the high impact. And it told me it could be by several reasons, and including large files and scripts, JavaScript, CSS, and so on. So I don't know what is the reason yet. So I told him which files are those. It told me the enormous payload is because of image data, approximately 5 megabytes, which is way large on a single page for the web. So it's telling me the page size is 6 megabytes, 5.7 are images. So I need to optimize my images in order to get this website loading faster. And this is the real reason, because my images here, if we can scroll down here, you will find that my images are way too large. Look at this, 3 megabyte per image. So if I remove those images, or at least I can compress or resize the resolution to the correct resolution, I will achieve a way better page loading speed. This is the end of the video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to create more short tips like this in the future.